you just starting YouTube and you are wondering, what the heck should I post? I have 3 proven viral video ideas that are blowing up channel in the year 2025, even if you have 0 subscribers. If you want reviews, fast growth, and ideas that actually work, then this video is for you. Idea 1: zero to something challenge. People love a journey, whether it's from $0 to $1,000 in 30 days or no gym to six packs challenge. This format pulls in viewers because it's relatable, understandable, and motivational. All you have to do is to add a twist that fits your channel, and bam, you are golden. Use numbers and time frames in your title to make it stand out. For example, I tried dropshipping with $0. Here is what happened. Another example could be no experience, 30 days, learn to dance. People usually love challenges or journey challenges. That is why you can see that videos that has to do with 30 days challenge, or I got slim in 30 days, or I lost so much weight in 30 days. This is what I do. This kind of video normally generates a lot of views because people love seeing the progress starting from zero or starting from nothing. So this kind of ideas or content blows up channels or gets so much views because people actually want to follow how you got where you are from where you were. Do you understand? You can see that videos that has 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in 3 days, this kind of videos always generate a lot of views. So this idea is one idea that normally blows up videos. So this is one of the ideas you can try as a new beginner on YouTube. Idea 2: reaction plus research combo. This is not your basic reaction videos. I'm talking about reacting to trends and then adding value to that particular video about that particular trend. Okay, for instance, it trended so much that on July 15 that there's this new monetization rules that is going to come out, and you can see that a lot of YouTubers jumped into that trend. Now what did they do? They reacted to that particular trend and then they added their own value. They gave us information on how you can avoid demonetization and all. So this is one particular idea that when you impute it in your channel, whatever kind of channel, whether it's food, whether it's fitness, whether it's finance, whatever channel that you put this kind of idea, trust me, that video will generate a lot of views. For example, react to trending TikTok videos, viral hacks, or popular creators, but break down why they work or don't. So this is one particular example that you can use. You can react to a video that got about 30 million views in 10 days, and you can now react and say, okay, this is what you think that made this video to go viral. So if you do this kind of things, you will understand that people that watch that video, most people that watch that video will watch your video because they want to know actually what made that video to trend, because a lot of people want their videos to trend. So you can imagine if you make this kind of video telling people, okay, that this video actually trended, or that this video actually went viral under 10 days, under 3 days, and this is what you think made that video to go viral. This kind of topic or titles or videos can actually pull a lot of crowd to your channel. Examples of titles that you can use for this video are: number 1, I tried the viral $1 skincare hack, dermatologists react. Another example that you can use is why this TikTok got over 20 million views, creator breakdown. So you can see that this particular second point, you can explain why a particular video on TikTok or YouTube got so much views under some days and why you think that video actually got viral. Okay, so this kind of videos, when you make this kind of videos, it will draw a lot of viewers to your channel. Idea 3, I tested so you don't have to kind of format. Now this kind of format of video is one addictive videos that a lot of viewers jump in. A lot of people want to know what you tested, what happened in that particular thing that you did. This one is addicting for viewers. You become the guinea pig and solve problems that viewers are curious about, whether it's tech, life hack, diet, or products people like. People love saving time and money. This is actually one video idea that even as a small YouTuber or someone just starting up on YouTube, that if you post this kind of content, a lot of people will be like, they want to know what happened, right? For instance, you bought a $2 shoe from Amazon and you give your honest opinion about that product that you bought. People love to watch this kind of content so that they will not go ahead to either waste their money or waste their time ordering. So if you make content about things that you order, things that you do, things that you order, things that you did, and your lessons from that particular thing that you did, a lot of people would like to watch that kind of video because they actually want to know whether they should go on and do that particular thing or they should just forget about it, because they are trying to save their time and their money and even their energy. Now, examples of titles for these ideas are: I used AI to write my YouTube script. Was it good? Yeah, you are telling people that you use AI to write your script. Was this script actually good? In that video, you tell people, okay, this is the particular video that I used to create this script or to shoot this video. What do you think about this video? Was it good? Did you think it performed well? How was the title? How was the description? How was the thumbnail? So if you do things like this, people will be like, okay, let's see what this person did and how this let's see what this person did, and if it was good on and if it was good or not. Trust me, if you do this kind of videos, people will not just view, they will also drop a lot of comments, which will in turn affect your engagement positively. Another example that you can use is that I tested 5 viral study techniques, only one actually worked. This is another example that you can use for this kind of format. Trust me, if you do this kind of videos, a lot of people just want to, people are just curious. Human beings are curious beings. So when you post this kind of thing, a lot of people will jump into it to know, okay, a lot of people will like to know what happened, especially students. They'll be like, you try this 5 study technique, let me know the one that actually work and let me see if that technique can actually work for my. So if you do this kind of thing, it will not just put crowd to your channel, it will put subscribers, watch time, and of course a lot of engagement to your channel. Which one of these video ideas are you going to try? Put it on the comment section and let me know the one that, put it on the comment section and let me know the one that appeals more to you and the one that you are willing to try. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, and also share to other content creators or other of your friends or family members that you know that want to start creating on YouTube, that want to start their creation journey, but they don't have idea on what to do, especially on YouTube. Okay, so please do well to share it to people and give this video likes so that YouTube will know that this video is actually helpful. I am rooting for you and I always love you. I wish you so much good luck in your creation journey. You know that I'm rooting for you and I always love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.